Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the clutter of scattered notes, random thoughts, and disorganized ideas? If yes, then this video is for you. Welcome to my channel. I'm Anshul Kumar, your guide to maximizing efficiency and minimizing stress in this fast-paced world. This channel is your one-stop destination for all things productivity. Today, we'll explore the game-changing world of Obsidian, a note-taking app that will revolutionize how you capture, organize, and connect your thoughts. Grab a pen and paper, or open your note-taking app to get all the details. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to harness the power of Obsidian and unlock a whole new level of productivity. Obsidian is a modern, open-source note-taking application that has taken the productivity world by storm. Unlike traditional note-taking apps, Obsidian is built on bidirectional linking, which means you can create a vast interconnected web of your notes, ideas, and thoughts. One key feature that separates Obsidian is its bidirectional linking capability. When you link one note to another, Obsidian automatically creates a reverse link, making it a two-way street. This interconnected system allows you to build what's known as a second brain, a personal knowledge base that mimics the way your mind works, making it easier to connect ideas, uncover hidden insights, and spark new thoughts. Obsidian's Canvas feature is a game changer for visual thinkers. It provides an infinite space to scribble, draw, and connect your ideas using diagrams, mind maps, and flowcharts. The best part, you can seamlessly link your canvases to your regular notes, creating a comprehensive web of understanding that's uniquely yours. Let's look into a few use cases. Obsidian excels at helping you build a personal knowledge base by allowing you to interconnect your notes, ideas, and research. It's perfect for students, academics, writers, or anyone who needs to organize and recall information efficiently. Obsidian is an excellent tool for creative writers and brainstormers with its distraction-free interface and powerful linking capabilities. The Canvas feature allows you to visualize ideas and explore new connections. While not primarily designed for project management, Obsidian's flexibility and customizability make it a great option for tracking tasks, taking meeting notes, and organizing project-related information. Obsidian's simplicity and focus on plain text make it an ideal platform for personal journaling and reflective thinking. You can easily link your journal entries to other notes, creating a rich tapestry of your thoughts and experiences. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app that empowers you to capture, organize, and connect your thoughts like never before. With its bidirectional linking, Canvas feature, and customizability, Obsidian offers a unique approach to personal knowledge management, creative writing, project tracking, and journaling. Whether a student, professional, or lifelong learner, Obsidian can help you unlock your full potential and unleash many ideas. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of Obsidian. I hope this video has inspired you to explore this incredible note-taking app and unlock new productivity levels and creative thinking. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Happy note-taking!